Hey, my name is Ezra Firestone, and I'm here to help you get your first sale on Shopify. Now, Shopify, as you probably already know, is the most powerful e-commerce platform in the world. So having made it to getting a Shopify store is a really good first step. I remember when I made my first sale online, year was around 2007. The first thing that I sold was a fake mustache. That's right, I was in the mustache and wig business, and it was so exciting when I got that first sale. It was just like, it felt like the possibilities were endless. Now, since that time, I've scaled my Shopify business to over 8 figures a year. So we'll end up around $18 million in revenue this year in our Shopify business. And so throughout this training, I'm going to take you through what you need to know to get your first sale. Now, there's a lot of stuff to know about e-commerce. It's like an endless pool of knowledge. But there's some specific things that are really important that you have in place to get your first sale. And that's what this training is going to be focused on. What do you need to have in place to get a sale on your store? That's where we're going to go. And then after that, there's a bunch of places you can go. But you got to get that first sale to get started. So we're going to be talking about things like how to build your product offer page properly, how to drive people to your store using Facebook advertising, and some of the sort of basic fundamental things that you need in your store. I'm super happy to be the one to be able to take you through this training. I really look forward to it. In the next video, I'll tell you a little bit about myself so that you know who I am and kind of what you can expect of me in this course. And then we'll dive right in to getting things set up to get you your first sale on Shopify. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there.